A young man asked Socrates the secret to success. Socrates told the young man to meet him near the river. The next morning they met. Socrates asked the young man to walk with him towards the river. When the water got up to their neck, Socrates took the young man by surprise and dunked him into the water. The boy struggled to get out, but Socrates was strong and kept him there until the boy started turning blue. Socrates pulled his head out of the water, and the first thing the young man did was to gasp and take a deep breath of air. Socrates asked, "What did you want the most when you were there?" The boy replied, "Air." Socrates said, "That is the secret to success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air, then you will get it. There is no other secret." Moral of the short story is, a burning desire is the starting point of all accomplishment. Just like a small fire cannot give much heat, a weak desire cannot produce great results.